Hey, we're on site today in Frisco, Texas at one of our recent installs. I got Ethan from Enphase with me, and today we're going to show you guys something a little different.
How's it going, everyone? My name is Ethan Moskowitz. I'm a senior regional sales manager with Enphase Energy. Today we're going to check out this 40 kilowatt hour battery system. Come on in. So what we're looking at here is 4 10 kilowatt hour batteries or 40 kilowatt hours of total energy storage. This is the Enphase 10C battery system. And for a house this big, that's almost 4,000 square feet in size, we've got 4 battery units that are going to back up the entire home if the utility grid were to go down. The 6C combiner is kind of the hub of the system. It brings together the rooftop solar panels and the batteries so that during a grid outage, you've got access to your rooftop solar plus your battery bank. You could last multiple days, multiple weeks even, off this system during a long-term grid outage, and it's really great for resiliency here in the Lone Star State. All right, we are outside on the side of the home now. If you remember, we had those 4 batteries on the wall. We had the combiner bringing the solar and the batteries together, and we're coming out through this tiny little pipe that connects here to the customer's utility meter. That is our disconnect device. This wire and this piece of equipment, it's called the Enphase Meter Collar. When the utility grid goes down within 10 milliseconds, this meter collar is going to click in and take the entire house off the grid. If you were sitting at home and you experienced a power outage, you might see a slight little flick in the lights, but everything else would stay up and operating. That's how seamless the grid transition is. Mayer Solar, a core Enphase partner, was the first one to install and get approvals for the meter collar in CoServ territory. That's opened up tens of thousands of customers to have a seamless install like this, and without great installer partners like Mayer, Enphase wouldn't be able to do the business we do here in the Lone Star State. So we're super thankful to the Mayer team for helping us unlock this utility and many more across the Dallas area.
And that's a wrap on the Frisco install. We got 23 kilowatts of solar on the roof, 4 IQ 10C batteries, and the IQ Meter Collar, the first one of its kind in the CoServ territory. Thanks again, Ethan, for coming out. We'll see you guys next time.